All right, I'm all rigged up here. Another bay launch here. Try to get on some Fluke. Measuring board. Carry 2 rods and a tube, just in case I run into some stripers that I'm marking. Can add some weight on top if I need to. Of course, I have to have my net when you're fluking. Outriggers just in case, safety, you know. We're ready to go, man. Launch through the seaweed here. This water feels good compared to the air temperature. Oh man, swimmable waters. Swimmable waters. Oh, so it's high tide right now. So I'm catching the tide. I want to catch the tide coming out now. So let's see what happens. Getting pushed around in the surf a little bit. Get off the beach. I'm gonna fish this channel a little bit more in the spot where I'm at. There's a channel that goes down the shore, goes away from the beach, and gets deep there. So got a tip that the fish were there last week, so I don't know. Try it this week. See what happens. I'm gonna try my spinner this week with a tip with the pink now, man. See how the pink works. I'll make sure I bring my net up here. Need my net in arm's reach. Need my net in arm's reach. So easy to get to. Yeah. Let me get rigged up with put some gulp on here. See, I like to get past what you call those breakers or whatever, where that current pulls you in. Chill for a minute, just set up. So here's what I'm using for bait. This is Berkeley's Gulp 4-inch swimming mullets. I'm gonna start off with green today, or white. See how white works out for me. I used green last time. It should, you know, work the same. But just want to switch it up a little bit this week. Had some success with the green, but it was a lot of shorts. So I'm gonna try the white this week, this day. And if it doesn't work out, that's why I bought multiple things. You just keep trying to see what works. And there's no like direct science behind fishing. A lot of people think it's hard, but it's basically just trying. The fish are gonna tell you what they like. More than anything, any professional can tell you. Just bring different options with you, would be my advice, and the fish will tell you, and then you'll look like a genius, right? And you're like a genius, like, oh man, this guy knows what he's doing. Ah man, we're just all trying different things, man. Whatever works. This fish is not catching, so whatever's gonna work is gonna work that day. All we can do is keep trying. So short. Shorty. ate the whole, eat my whole swimming mullet, man. He ate the whole mullet. Oh no, it's there. Thought he ate it. Now, the tricky part is grabbing and putting back in. Come here. That's shorty. Go ahead. Put down like a manta ray. So this is that drop off. It goes from about 9 to 13 feet. So just gonna work this, fish this channel here. Keep. Doormat. There's the doormat. That's a keeper. Those are the ones you don't have to measure, folks. That's what we came out here for. That's what we're looking for. Woo! Don't have to measure him. I will measure them, but I don't have to. That's what we came out here for, fellas. I'm gonna put him on the stringer ASAP-a-rooney. ASAP, put him on the stringer. ASAP. I'm put him on the boga grips too. Get him on the boga so I can weigh him. Wrestling with the beast. Got him on the bottom one too, which is good. Get this hook out of him. Hook out. Safety first. Get a weight on him. Weight on him. He is 4.5 pounder. Measure him up just to be legal and also to see. That's 21-inch fluke. Not bad. 21-incher. There you go, fellas. 21-inch fluke. That's how he looks. I'm gonna bleed this guy out so he keeps well. Bleed him out, and that's just simply just cutting these gills here. Both sides. Just cut him. He bleeds out. Cut 2, 3, all of them. That makes the meat. And then he bleeds out like that. Gonna keep them close too. Switching over to the white and green. I was doing pink and white. Now I'm doing white and green. Even though I got my last fish on pink, I just don't sometimes trust that that fish bit because of the color. And not just because he was hungry. I don't know, that's a weird type of superstition or feeling when you're fishing. But I just want to make sure I'm using what everybody likes, not just what he liked. Make any sense? I don't know. It makes sense to me a little bit. So. Just don't feel like a fluke. If it's a fluke, it's a huge fluke. Oh my God. Another one. I don't have to measure this guy, as you can see. This guy is huge. I'm going to follow standard procedure and get him on the boga. Get the hook out first. Get him on the boga after I get the hook out. These fish will get loose. Get him on the boga. It's another 4.5 pounder. Yeah. Yeah. Bleeds. Yeah. Gotta bleed them out. I'm gonna get on this right here. You gotta get on this, man. Just gonna bleed them out and cut the gills. The first one. Yeah, the first one, yeah. "14 feet. I'll show you this fish. Two nice ones. Two nice ones.